I hope you can hear me. I hope you can see me. I just wanted to come back and show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing like a simple summer dress because it is still really hot outside. And I actually got this one from Marshalls. They got one. If you don't have Marshalls, you should definitely check out TJ Maxx. If you don't have TJ Maxx, check out Target, but they always have really cute summer dresses for really inexpensive prices. I got this dress for $12.99, you guys. So sale, somebody say discount, and yeah, I love this dress. It's just really flowy. It's really hot and sticky and humid outside, and this is just the perfect dress to wear. I'm gonna come in now. And I'm wearing this dress with these kind of, they look like Vans, but they are not Vans. I actually picked these up at Target, and they were less than $15 too, or maybe like $15, but I love these shoes on that. Let me show you my bag that I'm going to use to put my books in though. Let's walk over here. So this is my bag. I got this from Just Fab, so it was $39.95 because I am a VIP member. But this is the Law bag, and I got it in all black. It's like, it has like a crocodile material on top of it, which I really love. And I want to just show you inside. It's like so big inside of there. And then it has all these like different compartments, so you could fit like your pencils, if you want to bring lip gloss, whatever you want to fit. But so many things fit in there. So I can fit my notebooks, my iPad, my wallet, my lotion, and I could even, like, if I'm interested in bringing lunch or anything like that, girl, please, I put that right in there. And it's not like, it doesn't look like all cluttered and like you have mad stuff in your bag. It just looks like you have a nice bag on. So yeah, that's how I roll. This is the second day of classes. I'm about to leave because I'm tripping and I'm like procrastinating when I really have to go. So yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.